time it is. It is time to get to bassing. Welcome to the channel, everybody. If you don't know who this is, you better recognize. I'm out here with the cuz, the bass stalker, who had pulled in this one beauty. You know what I'm saying? You got anything you want to say to him?
Hey, look at here. Y'all out there enjoying this beautiful day. Bass stalker and the veteran bass. I'm telling y'all don't know what y'all missing. Y'all need to get out there and enjoy it. Stop watching the cartoons, Bugs Bunny, Red Salmon, and all them TV shows. Get out here and enjoy it. A little exercise. Just a bass.
So, yeah, we done already, anybody who watched the channel know, as the bass stalker would say, we need 5 to go to the next round. You know what I'm saying? We already caught that. You know, I really wasn't gonna really record today, but they seem like they biting pretty daggum good, so we're gonna get out here and do that. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell, and comment on anything else you would like to see. Also with that, the mystery tackle box slam. I'm gonna see if the bass stalker gonna get into it and try to do that with me, but we'll find all that out. But with that being said, let's just get out here and get to fishing. Before I do that, and y'all know that, you know, cause the bass stalker, he keeps the bass, but I'm gonna show you everything that we caught so far. So as you can see, we went to the next round. Yep. Let's get out here. Let's get more fishing. I'm just saying. Well, let me know something then. Right in front of us, but there's just rows of stumps right here in front of us. There's just rows of stumps out here in front of us. Are you fishing that color line?
Just put it on you. No, that's what I always do.
No. You see the color line in the water?
Yeah.
That's what you fishing. I'm gonna step down here to this corner. See what's up. Cause I see a mean little color line. You start by fishing, the wind pick up. I can't even feel it bounce. I kid you not, that wind coasted this darn line all the way back. I'm talking about this wind coasted this line all the way back. Then when I tightened up to check it, he let it go. He's still out there. He had it though. Shoot, I kept it out there so he can get it. Yeah, that's a stump. That's a stump. I bet you it is. Oh, it might come loose, who knows? I can't feel this. I can't feel this way for crap, boy. But then too, I mean, I caught mine at pretty much from straight out there. My 2 I caught. I should be throwing a moving bait, but I don't really feel like tying on a daggum fluke, because that's about all I got as far as moving bait. I forgot my baits at the house. I only fish, well, how we fishing right now, I only fish with 3 weights: 3/8, quarter, and 3/16. It is. This ain't nobody like the 3/16 ounce. That's all it is. Yeah, but like, by the time I'm feeling them, by the time I set the hook on him though, he already gone. All right, might have came loose. Yeah, got me a big old 3-pounder. That's a big old 3-pounder. We're gonna, since it's kind of windy, we're gonna throw this Strike King around a little bit. Darn, I could darn near cast the whole pond. I probably could cast the whole pond. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gotcha. A catfish? Oh, shoot. The doggone catfish. Come here. Well, this is a first for me. If I remember correctly, I've never caught a catfish on a crankbait. Yo, you've been in some battles, buddy. Yes, sir, you've been in some battles. Yeah, nice speckle cat. You stay right there. He probably could eat you. I'm not gonna pick you up right now. Well, it boiled on into that pocket, so it should be, he should be getting a bite. Huh. I wasn't expecting a cat. Should have known though, cause it didn't feel like a bass on the fight. I thought you were gonna stop in that corner. That's the first time I seen a cat come out of this pond. I mean, the first time I seen it. Yep, got it. What I got, I don't know. Bass, okay. Huh? A little bitty guy. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Look at the coloration though. That's weird coloration for him. Have one for Cuzzo. Get these little bitty guys out of here. That's the clearest water, that second pond. Well, the catfish I caught on the crankbait, hold on. No, well, the one you seen, that was the second catch I had. He was caught off the edge over there in that shade. What surprised me is I caught him on a dang crankbait. I'm finna try this clown color looking one. Well, it called sexy shad, but I'm gonna try it and see what I get on this shaky head. No, halfway between me and you. I'm not getting the distance that I should be getting. Let's try that again. I didn't get it. Huh? Got him. Picked it up. I was dead sticking it. There you go. I was sitting here dead sticking it and kind of just letting it sit and settle. Calm down. Letting it sit and settle. And picked it up. Yeah. And you talking about fat little stomach. Look at that. You been eating good. Hold on. Y'all can't see that good. But look at the fat. Look at the stomach. Fat. Been eating real good. I did not bring my other rod to fish this little pocket. And I bet you there's one in this pocket. Because we're ready to go to another pond. So I am going to cut this video off right here. I'm not going to do the traditional outro that I normally would do. But what I am going to say is, you know, thank you for everybody. Thank you for everybody who's been rocking with the channel. You know, it was nice to know that there are people who watch the videos, and you know, any feedback would be appreciated. Any feedback would be appreciated. So, you know. But with that being said, Veteranbassin, here to get you right, so you can keep them lines tight. We'll get at you out there.